Hi, it's Claire and welcome to Need I Say More. Today I'm going to show you how to pin the gusset of the Iris Undies. So if you've ever wished someone would sit next to you and say, start here, I've got you, this is that moment. Today I'm going to walk you through how to pin the front, back and gusset pieces together slowly, clearly, without the stress. Before we start pinning, let's talk about what a gusset actually is. So it's a small insert that gives your garment room to move and fit comfortably. So to begin, I'd normally lay out all the pieces the way that they will look once they're sewn. I find this step makes everything immediately clearer. So place your front and back pieces right side up, then position the gusset between them, ensuring that the gusset is going to be in the correct position once the garment is finished. Next, you fold the seam allowance along the edge of the pieces, and this helps me make sure everything's where it should be and how all three pieces are going to come together. Once you're in this position, you need to grab the seam allowances and flip the pieces so you're looking at the wrong side. And this is where the construction starts to make sense and it suddenly clicks into place. Once everything is aligned, pin through the layers, work from one end to another, smooth the fabric out. It is two different shaped curves that are coming together, so expect that it is going to need quite a few pins and a little bit of patience. Once you've done it, you've pinned your gusset, lay it back out just to double check that everything is going to be in the correct position. Once it's sewn, everything's right sides to wrong sides like it should be. So your back panel should be positioned in between the front panel and the gusset, so that when you fold the gusset over the front panel, the back panel, the seam of that is going to be sitting in the back. If you found this useful, please subscribe. You've got this and I've got you.